Hey guys, I'm in my workflows here. So to get started, you're going to click on the gear icon and select Manage Workflows. Then from here, you'll have Templates and My Workflows. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how to do the Get Open Purchase Order Reminder so we can get reminders for purchase orders that are still not closed and converted to bills. So we go here, we click Create. And I'll just call it open purchase orders. Okay. So number one, do this in QuickBooks. What do you want to do? So I would like to have a reminder sent 3 days after the purchase order is sent or is created or after the purchase order date. Okay, so how about after purchase order is sent? That's great. Okay, then what's going to happen is we're going to create a reminder in the tasks. All right, you can send a company email to a particular person on the team. And then lastly here, when this happens, we need to have a scenario where when this happens, okay? So purchase order status within open and purchase order status is sent. Okay, so that will do it. We just hit save and enable. And you can see now that I've got my first custom workflow.